Fam, what's going on, guys? Super excited about this video. I've been working extremely hard on this specific strategy, and it actually was a strategy that made me $16,000 in one day. You guys can see the profits on the screen, and I want to let you guys know that this is something that has been working amazing for the past couple of months, not just for me, but a lot of my students as well. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how we're doing it. So I really had a thought with myself in a conversation. I was like, yo, I'm not going hard enough. I am not putting out enough content for you guys to actually be benefiting from. And I felt like I was just holding in all these strategies, all these things working for me. And I honestly felt like I was just being extremely greedy. So I'm going to provide as much value as I possibly can. I know that you guys have been asking about the giveaway. So I'm going to just give someone lifetime access to my new group chat. If you guys have not seen it, it's actually free for 7 days. There is a link in the description where you guys can check that out. There's a lot of value being provided within that group chat. It's not just signals. I'm giving away a free course in that 7-day trial. I'm giving you guys a free 30-minute call with me to kind of see where you're at trading, what you're struggling with, things like that. And overall, it's an amazing experience to be a part of a community of other traders that have the same vision. So what we're going to be giving away in this video, like I said, is lifetime access to that group chat. I just want to know, what is your favorite strategy? What is the strategy that you have been using to trade that has actually been profitable for you? Comment that below and I'll choose a winner 7 days from this video. Let's get it. I'll see you guys in my laptop in just a second. Let's get into it. I'm really pumped up to show you guys this strategy. It's very profitable. It works very well. The indicators that we are going to be using are the moving averages. So what we're going to do right here is type in MOV, and we have moving average right here. So we're going to click it 2 times. I would definitely recommend that you guys also get the pro plan for trading view. There's cool things you can add, like a ticker right here. So I can add it. So let's say that I'm going for a short, and hypothetically, let's say that I'm looking for shorts all the way down to this level in the market. I can go right here and I can add a timer. We're going to do crossing down since we are going for a short, and then you'll put the value right here or the price that you want it to hit. So 1.79746, and then you can have it do whatever. I have it send me an email, and then you could say something like GPAUD hit take profits. Okay, then we got that. Then we have this alert right here, so you guys can see that we have this alert, and you can track it right here, and you guys can see that once it hits that zone, it will send us an email with the label and everything we put up. So I'm going to delete that because I don't need that right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the moving averages. We did that. We're going to go to the settings. The first input is going to be 20. We're going to make the style on this one. We're going to leave it blue, and then we're going to do this next one. We're going to make it 50. And then we're going to make the style on this one red. Like I said, guys, it's really personal preference at the end of the day what you guys want to do. Okay, I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger too. You guys can see that you can change the size of the actual moving average. Okay, so here we go. So I want you guys to notice right here, you can use this on all time frames. Really, what we're looking at is a moving average. It helps us find when we have strong points of support, strong points of resistance. As well, I want you guys to notice is this really helps us find the trend of the overall market. So we can see that when the candles are above the moving averages, like right here, that's signaling that we're in an uptrend. So you guys can see that we were in a downtrend right here. What's really going to signal it to go into a downtrend or uptrend is when we see the 50 length moving average cross over the 20 length, that's signaling a short. So you guys can see right here, that was that crossover right there. So the red went over the blue, boom, then the market started to go into a downtrend. Then whenever you see the red go under the blue, it crosses under the 50 length, crosses under the 20 length moving average. That's signaling that we're looking for longs right here. So you can see that we have that cross under right there, and then boom, the market completely went up. Same thing right here, we have the crossover. So it's very crucial that you guys are looking at this and finding those points where we're going to start to see a different trend occur. Okay, so we can see the same thing happen right here. 50 length well under the 20 length, boom. So we could see a possible short-term sell, and then we could go back into an uptrend. Really is depending on what the market's going to do. Okay, there's other ways to do it as well. What I like to do is I like to use it on the hourly time frame. Usually I'm using the 20 length moving average for this one, because the 20 length moving average is just so fucking gorgeous. You guys can see right here that overall for this market right here, as we're looking at this range, this area right here, we're in a downtrend. But I want you guys to notice that as it's forming lower lows and lower highs, most every lower high comes and retests the moving average right here. So you guys can see, I'm gonna get my brush, we have a lower low right here, then our lower high. You guys see how it came and hit our moving average right here, and then boom, dropped down. Okay, then we had a new lower low. This level was broken as we were coming down. We formed a new level of support, then we had our lower high. But look at how we had that retest of that moving average. Again, the 20 length, new lower low right here, retested the moving average. 20 length moving average was hit once again. New lower low, boom, we retest the moving average once again. So I want you guys to notice it. It happens pretty much every freaking time. That's why I really like looking for entries on the hour one time frame while I'm using my moving average. Most of the time I am using my 20 length moving average for this strategy like I'm showing you guys, but at the end of the day, like, it's the same thing. Whenever we see the 50 cross over the 20, signaling a short, and then whenever we see the 50 cross under the 20, signaling a buy. Guys, there might be times in my YouTube videos where I say something like, wait, what, Colt, didn't you just say that? Like, guys, I'm thinking so hard all the time. So if there's something that I might say in the beginning and I re-say it, but I say it differently or say it wrong, just know that I'm not intending to do that. Like a second ago, I think I said whenever we see the 50 length cross under the 20 length, that's signaling a sell. But really I meant to say whenever we see the 50 length crossing over the 20 length, we're signaling a short or a sell. But that's how it works. Whenever we see the 50 length go under the 20 length, we're signaling for buys for longs. Whenever you see the 50 length go over the 20 length, we're signaling for sells for shorts. All right, now let's go to US 30. I want to show you guys what I was looking at. So US 30 has been in a beautiful uptrend, and it's just been staying above the moving average, the 20 length moving average, but it will re-come and test its zone like right here. I want you guys to notice how the market came to this point on the moving average and hit it. So what you could do is when you're seeing price dramatically go away from the moving average like we did here, you guys can see that we broke past the moving average, came to resistance that is present right there. When you're seeing something like that happen, you can pretty much say, okay, we're most likely going to see it come and retest our moving average. So let's say that these two candles hadn't happened, okay? These two candles, that's what we're looking at. Let's say that we saw a big push up, a lot of buyers were going into the market, and then we knew that it had overpassed the moving average right here, 20 length moving average. We could have a buy limit right around this zone. So we could have a buy limit right there, and then we can know that most likely the market is going to retest that zone right there. So I usually like to put it like a little above the moving average, but we could have a buy limit set right there and know that, okay, most likely the market's going to hit that and then go up. And it keeps doing it right here. It usually stays above it, but there will be times that it will actually hit it perfectly and then go up. Like right here, perfect, it's staying above the candle. So that's another confirmation. Like, I look for confirmations in the market when I'm looking at the moving average. So when I'm seeing that the market's coming to the moving average, I kind of let a couple of candles play out just to see what's going to happen, so I can see what's going to happen on the next move and how I can actually capitalize off that move. Kind of want to look at a couple of other examples. Let's go back to the daily time frame. I want to find some really good examples. Okay, perfect. So as you guys know me, I am a swing trader. That's what I've been focusing on for the past couple of months. Overall, that's my trading strategy. Right here, you guys can see we have our spinning top, came and hit the moving average, tested it. So this is why I tell you guys, like, set an alarm on your phone for 30 minutes, an hour after a new daily candle closes, so you can see how these candles are opening and closing. Like right here, you could have caught a perfect entry. Okay, and I'm going to actually show you guys what we could have done right here. So we could have seen this right here, the spinning top came and hit the moving average, rejected the zone. We have this long wick that came and hit the moving average, showing us that this is a big point of support right here. Came and hit that moving average, hit it right there, hit it right there, hit it right there, hit it right here. there's a lot of indecision on this zone right here. It hit it, then go back down, hit it, then go back down. Then we finally broke through, hit it again, hit it, broke through, came and retested it again. So this is a very big point of support right here. So we could have seen that spinning top. We're staying above the moving average. I would have went long. I would have had my take profits all the way up here. Look to the left, structure leaves clues. This is where our resistance is. Obviously our stops would be right here. And I'm gonna actually show you guys what I would have done. If you guys watched my video previous to this one about the Fibonacci's, you would have seen what we could have done right here. So I would have grabbed my fibs. I would have put at the bottom wick of that candle and the top wick right there. Yep, would have got a perfect entry. So I would have had a buy limit set right here at the 618. Would have had my stop loss down here. And like I said, look at how perfect that is. Our negative 100% zone is right where I said I would have my take profits at. Right there. It's a little bit below, but pretty much dead on point. Okay, so there you go. You could have had a perfect entry right there. Would have wicked it right at the freaking moving average right there. Risk, you would have been looking at 174 pips. And then reward, you would have been able to catch a bag of 757 pips. And that would have went and hit our take profit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days after. So 700 plus pips in a matter of 5 days is absolutely amazing. And this is on Bitcoin right here. So Bitcoin, I've really realized that a lot of the candles will always retest themselves. Like here's another good example. Let me draw it up. We have this doji right here hitting this point of support. Overall, we are in an uptrend. Look at this. Grab the bottom wick to the top wick. Next candle that came out would have retested those zones. Shot up after that. Okay. So that's what I wanted to show you guys in this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it. I don't know if you guys heard about the statistics, but 92% of you watching my videos aren't subscribed yet. And I would really appreciate the love. The support has been amazing, guys. We're almost at 20K subscribers. I never thought we'd get here, but hey. And before we go, I wanted to show you guys something. I know you guys have been seeing this, but I have this 7-day trial going. It's funny because I'm wearing the same hoodie in this video as I'm wearing in this video, but the link is in the description for my new group chat. It's a 7-day trial, meaning it's 7 days for free. You guys can get access to all this stuff right here. So you're going to get access to trade ideas, trade alerts I'm going into every week. You're going to get access to my top Forex course. So I'm giving everyone a free 72-minute course that signs up for this. We do have weekly team calls every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And every Tuesday and Thursday, those are like the main educational calls, or we go over new topics, things like that. And then also I'm giving everyone who joins, I'm giving them access to a 30-minute call like me. So just like I'm talking to you right now, me and you will be able to do a Zoom call together. We'll be able to see like what you're going through that's making you not become a better trader, the things that you're struggling with, any concerns that you have. I'm basically going to ask you a couple of questions to see what you need help with, and I'm going to help you out. Also, I am going to give you one of my top Forex courses. So this is different from the actual 72-minute course. This one's 7 hours long. So if you do stay after the trial, then it is going to be, you'll get access to that free course. But like I said, the link is in the description for that. I don't want to pitch you guys on that or anything like that. But I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.